Okay. Here we go. What are you doing with the Roomba? What are you doing to the vacuum? Oh, you're reprogramming it. You're riding it. Oh, it stopped. Oh dear. Can you turn it back on? You turn it back on, take it for a ride? Okay. You don't have to run. Ellie, what is she doing? You're all used to the Roomba. You don't care. What do you think? Watch and go? That's what we all normally do. Oh, take it for a ride. You're a funny girl, Maddie. Oh, you're gonna ring your doorbell. Good girl. Okay, we'll go out. We'll go out. We'll leave Mr. Roomba inside. And we'll take our honey bells out. That was quite the idea, but now we'll to the door handle. I think I really have to go out, Mom. Okay, come on, Maddie. Out we go. Let's go, Ellie. Come on. Out we go. Out we go. We'll leave the cleaning monster inside. Off to take care of morning business. Funny girl. Funny girl, that Maddie, isn't she, Ellie?